Theta Network. Oh my god. The whole changes in the Theta Network is positive. Theta Network start pumping. Wow. That's really good. Anyways guys, welcome back to another video about Theta Network guys. Click the subscribe button now for more updates videos about cryptocurrencies market. So guys, the current price of the Theta Network in the market is 7.58 USD dollar. And furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes of the Theta Network, so the last 1 hour, last 20, last 70 changes of the Theta Network is going positive. Positive changes occur in the Theta Network. Wow. Let me show you the price chart of Theta Network. Now you can see here guys, if you look from the 4 USD dollar, the price pump to 7.58 cent. 7.58 cent is the right now price of Theta in the market. Guys, you already know about Theta Network that in the previous time the price of Theta very badly decrease, very badly dumps. But it is a latest situation, so I think that it's not good if you decide to sell. If you hold, so it's good for you. I recommend for you to please hold, don't decide to sell. Anyways guys, what do you think about Theta Network? What is your opinion? Also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.